Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Note 20 Ultra is probably one of the most powerful and feature-rich smartphones Samsung has ever released, boasting a stunning display, a versatile camera system, and the signature S Pen stylus, making it a compelling option for power users and creatives alike who demand top-tier performance and productivity on the go. Number 5. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Introducing the Unicorn Beetle Pro, designed for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It offers unparalleled protection with its multi-layered TPU and polycarbonate construction. This case has been rigorously tested, surviving drops from up to 20 feet. You can trust it to safeguard your device from accidental falls and impacts. Enjoy effortless access to all your phone's ports, buttons, and features. Its precise design ensures that every function remains easily accessible. Experience ultimate convenience with the included detachable and rotatable holster. It provides a secure and accessible way to carry your phone. Specifically engineered for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 2020 release, this case ensures a perfect fit. Please note, it is not compatible with the standard Note 20 model. This rugged case is designed to work seamlessly with your phone's official Samsung screen protector. It provides robust defense without interfering with your screen's clarity. What we like. This case offers unparalleled protection against drops and impacts. Its multi-layered construction ensures your device can withstand significant abuse. If you work in a demanding environment or are prone to dropping your phone, this is the ultimate safeguard for your investment. What people say. The screen is absolutely beautiful, vibrant colors and sharp details. The camera system is incredibly versatile, capturing stunning photos in various lighting conditions. Battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Experience the precision of a real pen with the S Pen, seamlessly integrated with Samsung Notes. It offers unparalleled responsiveness for your creative and productive needs. Our intelligent battery learns your usage patterns to optimize power throughout the day. Plus, super fast charging gets you back to full power in just minutes. Enjoy a breathtakingly smooth gaming experience with its advanced display and processor. Combined with Galaxy 5G support, it offers seamless entertainment. Powered by Samsung's fastest Note processor yet, it transforms your entertainment. Enjoy less interruption whether you're gaming or streaming. Sharing content with other compatible Samsung devices is now effortless. Simply point to share your information instantly. Never worry about storage again. You can expand its memory up to 1 TB with a microSD card, perfect for all your photos and videos. Unlock next-level power with Galaxy 5G. Experience more sharing, more gaming, and more incredible experiences than ever before. What we like. Experience the pinnacle of productivity and entertainment with its advanced S Pen and seamless 5G capabilities. The intelligent battery ensures you stay powered all day. If you're a power user, a mobile gamer, or someone who relies on their phone for work and creativity, this device offers a premium, all-around experience. What people say. The camera is amazing, especially in low-light conditions. The display is stunning, with vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day with heavy use. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone. Experience the power of precision with a stylus that feels like a real pen. Effortlessly jot down notes, sketch ideas, and seamlessly convert them into editable documents. Keep your thoughts synced across all your devices. Stay powered throughout your day with an intelligent battery that adapts to your usage. When you need a boost, super fast charging gets you back up and running in minutes. Enjoy the ultimate mobile gaming experience with a stunningly smooth display and advanced processor. Combined with Galaxy 5G support, lag is a thing of the past. Tackle any task with our fastest Note processor ever. Multitask, game, and stream with incredible speed and minimal interruptions. Bridge the gap between your phone and PC. Manage your mobile apps directly on your computer screen and easily transfer files with a simple drag and drop. Unlock next-level performance with 5G connectivity. Share more, play harder, and experience everything you love at incredible speeds. What we like. This phone is designed for ultimate productivity and seamless integration with your digital life. Its S Pen and note-taking features are exceptional, and the link to Windows functionality bridges the gap between your phone and PC. If you need a device that excels at multitasking, note-taking, and staying connected across platforms, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The phone has a great camera and the display is amazing. The battery life is excellent and it charges very quickly. The S Pen is a great addition and makes it easy to take notes and draw. Number 2. Power Theory Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Screen Protector Film. Introducing the Power Theory Screen Protector, designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It offers precise, full coverage that fits the curved edges of your device perfectly. This isn't glass, but a durable, armor-grade thermoplastic polyurethane film. It provides maximum scratch resistance to keep your phone looking new and protects against cracks and dirt. Minor scratches and abrasions on the protector will disappear on their own within 48 hours. This self-healing technology ensures your screen protector stays looking pristine. Experience the original brightness and super-fast responsiveness of your screen. It feels like glass to the touch and fully supports the fingerprint unlock feature. Our easy application solution ensures perfect alignment and installation in under a minute. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth, bubble-free setup. We stand by our superior quality with a no-hassle lifetime guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. What we like. Protect your screen without compromising clarity or touch sensitivity. This flexible film offers robust scratch resistance and even features self-healing properties for minor abrasions. If you want to keep your display pristine, maintain full touch responsiveness, and ensure compatibility with your favorite case, this screen protector is the ideal solution. What people say. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G Unlocked is a fantastic phone with a stunning display and powerful performance. The camera system on the Note 20 Ultra is incredibly versatile, allowing for amazing photos and videos in any lighting condition. The S Pen functionality is a game changer, offering precise control and enhanced productivity for note-taking and creative tasks. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, Renewed Premium. Experience a Samsung certified pre-owned device, meticulously remanufactured by the same engineers who build our new phones. It's quality you can trust. This device is completely unlocked, ensuring compatibility with any carrier on both GSM and CDMA networks. Enjoy the freedom to choose your provider. It comes with a brand new battery and a new charging cable, all presented in new Samsung packaging with a certified renewed seal. Rest assured, this phone has passed over 400 stringent tests for full functionality and has been inspected to be free of any cosmetic flaws. Your purchase is protected with the same 1-year limited warranty that comes with any brand new Samsung device. What we like. Get the premium Galaxy Note 20 Ultra experience at a renewed value. This device has been meticulously inspected and remanufactured by Samsung engineers, featuring a brand new battery and a full 1-year warranty. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone with the peace of mind of a new device's warranty and a fresh battery, this is a smart and reliable option. What people say. The camera is amazing, especially in low light. The zoom is incredible, and the video quality is top-notch. The display is stunning, with vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. It's perfect for gaming and watching videos. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. The fast charging is also a lifesaver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.